It's everyone's favorite time of the week. It's time for Ask Ellen. Tonight, John wants to know, why do we rarely have thunder and lightning with snowstorms unlike rain? I guess I've never thought of that.
Yeah, it's a great question. Yeah. So let's just do a little review as we usually do. Let's talk about thunderstorm formation. Warm air rises, and of course that produces the storm clouds. And then as we see ice crystals and raindrops kind of collide within that tall cloud, it actually creates charged particles. So that's where your lightning comes from. It's ice crystals colliding together and getting positive and negative charges. They align themselves and they kind of organize themselves. And after they position, usually the difference in charges becomes so great that you need a stroke of lightning to relieve that charge. And we see that as a nice big flash at the ground. So why don't we see this, especially in the wintertime? Well, if you remember with me, thunderstorms can grow all the way up to the top of the troposphere. So they can be all the way up to 60,000 feet high. And the higher we have those collisions taking place of ice particles or hailstones, the more lightning we usually get. But if we look at winter versus summer, winter is a lot colder, which means our clouds are super limited. In the winter time, it's really difficult to get tall clouds. Most of our clouds top out at a good 20,000 or 30,000 feet, even when they have that warm air instability. So if we compare summer and winter, summer by far has a better setup for those collisions and lightning. Winter, on the other hand, usually doesn't get enough of that charged particle difference to give us enough of a lightning setup. So comparing the seasons again, here's winter for you. What can change it? Well, if we get warm air, like off of Lake Michigan, to help boost that cloud deck. This is what happens in the rare occasions when we get thunder snow. We get warm air, like off of Lake Michigan, and that just helps to grow the cloud enough that we can have enough charged particles to give us lightning, even though there's snow on the ground. So hopefully that fills in the question.
That's really interesting.
Isn't it neat? Great
Can you imagine lightning and snow? That'd be a wild combination.
I've seen it like once.
That actually happens.
It's pretty cool.
That is crazy. And I feel like it's been a winter wonderland this past week. What can we expect this week?
8-day forecast. We're going to be seeing mild temperatures and a few chances of rain and snow this week.
All right. Thank you, Ellen. That's all we have for you. Good night.